Our last example takes you into the arena of risky choices. Do you follow a risk-seeking strategy or a risk-averse strategy? Let's see in the following example. Which would you choose if you were gambling? A. You have an 85% chance to win $100. B. You have a sure gain of $85.
I'll take the sure win.
Sure gain of 85.
A sure gain of 85.
People generally prefer $85 for sure over the gamble with the same expected actuarial value, and this pattern has been known as risk aversion. It's an aversion to a risky prospect.
Now suppose you have a 100% chance of losing $85 or an 85% chance of losing $100. Which would you choose?
Then I would take the chance.
I would take the 85% chance of losing.
I'll take the 85% chance to lose.
In this case, people seem to prefer the gamble over the sure loss. And that, again, is a very characteristic pattern. Notice that in this problem, just as in the one before, the gamble and the sure thing are equal in some sense. You can either lose $85 for sure or have a gamble which has an expected value of losing $85. But here, unlike the previous case, people very generally prefer the gamble.
The notion of accepting a dead loss is unthinkable for people, and the significance of the pattern that Danny just described is that people are willing to take often a very unreasonable risk of a much greater loss in order to avoid that sure loss.